Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today, we have something really special for you.
That's right. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your family in English with confidence.
Whether you're meeting new friends, in a job interview, or chatting online, this skill is super important.
And don't go anywhere. We have a fun challenge at the end. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Channel.
All right, let's jump right in.
Let's start with the basics. Mike, how many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. I have my parents, 1 brother, and 1 sister.
Now let's learn basic family words. Repeat after us: my mom, my dad, and my siblings. Siblings means your brothers and sisters.
So I can say, I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister.
Exactly. Now, what if you have no brothers or sisters?
So you can say, I'm an only child, or I don't have any siblings.
What does only child mean?
An only child means you are the only kid in your family.
Now let's talk about extended family.
Your grandmother or grandma is your mother's or father's mother.
Your grandfather or grandpa is your mother's or father's father. Now let's talk about your parents' siblings.
Your parent's sister is your aunt.
Your parents' brother is your uncle.
So aunt and uncle work the same way on both sides of the family.
And their children are your cousins.
You can say, I have 3 cousins on my mother's side, or 2 cousins on my father's side.
Now let's describe family members. First, we need to learn how to describe age. Young means not old. Middle-aged, around 40 to 60. Old or elderly, polite words for people who are many years old.
Now let's talk about personality. Funny makes people laugh. Kind means nice and caring. Strict means has many rules. Easygoing, relaxed, and calm.
Here's an example. My mother is middle-aged. She's kind and easygoing. She works as a teacher.
Adding a job makes your description more interesting.
You can say teacher, doctor, engineer, nurse, chef, artist. Or, my father is retired. My sister is a student.
Now, relationships. I'm close to my brother. We get along well. My family is tight-knit.
Here's a full example. I have a small family. There are 4 of us. My parents are retired. They're kind and funny. I have 1 younger brother. He's a student. We get along well. We're a tight-knit family.
3 quick tips for listeners. Tip 1, always say A before jobs. For example, she's a teacher. Tip 2, my sister is 25 years old, or simply, my sister is 25. Tip 3, add feelings. I love my family. I admire my father. My grandmother is my hero.
These words make your English sound natural.
Homework challenge.
Now it's your turn. Write a short paragraph about your family.
Include how many people are in your family, who they are, 1 interesting fact about each person, 1 word to describe your family. Share it in the comments. We read every one.
The best one gets a shout out in our next video.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our lessons.
Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.